How doing, guys? Welcome back to Women's Football number 1. How are we all doing? Back at home now. Last video I did, I was away, so I'm back at home. Back where I'm doing my YouTube videos. I'm back again. Loads of wrestling news. That's what we're going to chat about today. We're going to chat about different people. Chat about Xavier Woods from WWE. We're going to chat about a couple of injuries. We're going to chat about Jeff Hardy, AOP as well, and Gail Kim, Tony Storm, and a bit about Dynamite from last night. Okay, let's get into it then. Let's chat about Xavier Woods. WWE, well, is injured at the moment. WWE said on social media. He also said himself. This is what they put. Quote on social media. Excuse me. Xavier Woods suffered a cervical strain after getting hit with a chair thrown by Drew McIntyre. He will miss the upcoming Monday's Raw. End quote. Wow. Remember when Drew McIntyre got a chair, chucked it in the ring, hit Xavier Woods? He actually got injured off that in real life. Wow. Speed recovery, Xavier Woods, cervical strain. That sounds awful. It's on social media himself. He put a bit of whiplash, I think he put. So hopefully he's okay. I'm back very soon, maybe the week after. Part 1/2 of the New Day there. Okay, Dave Meltzer, talking about Dynamite last night. Here we go. People are meant to be at Dynamite, but weren't and couldn't get there. This is what he put. Some talent were meant to be at Dynamite, but couldn't get there because of the hurricane. Kenny Omega didn't make it. A lot of the Florida people didn't make it. End quote. So Kenny Omega was meant to be at Dynamite last night. Hurricane in Florida. So that's an awful story there. God, so he didn't make it to Dynamite to do a segment there. And John Callis and Takeshita were there doing a promo backstage on Dynamite last night. So hopefully Kenny Omega's okay. And one of my favourites, Kenny Omega. What a great wrestler. And looks like Kenny Omega v Takeshita as well. Of course, at All Out. Yeah, what a match that's going to be. Oh, can't wait. All Out this Sunday. We've got Payback as well. Busy weekend, wrestling action. Okay, Wrestling Inc. They said this. Both Saraya and Swerve Strickland were scrapped from the show, Dynamite, due to an undisclosed illness. Right. Okay, end quote. Hopefully, speed recovery to Saraya. I call her Saraya. Makes it Saraya. And Swerve Strickland may have picked up a bit of an illness. I'm not quite sure. Saraya has been on Twitter since, or X. She's going to be at StarCast tomorrow, so maybe it's nothing too serious on Friday. And on Saturday, she's going to be have a match with the Outcasts, Tony Storm, Ruby Soho, versus Britt Baker, Hikaru Shida, Chris Statlander. Now, did I miss something on Dynamite? Maybe I did. And I saw Tony Storm's great promo. I think she's doing great work. Like an actress from the 60s or something. Are they back together again? Because I thought they'd fallen out. I thought Saraya fallen out with Tony Storm after she punched her mum in the face. At All In. So I must have missed something there. Looks like they're back together. Having a match on Saturday's Collision. So a bit of news there. Alright, we've got a happy birthday. Shout out to this wrestler, Jeff Hardy. Happy birthday. 46 today. I do like Jeff Hardy. He's great, isn't he? Him and Matt Hardy there. Hardy boys, really good. So, all the best and have a nice day, Jeff Hardy. Okay, Sean Mossap's got some news here about AOP. Used to be in WWE 2020, was it? I think they got released. Here's what he said on Twitter, stroke X. Sources have been telling us at Fightful that AOP may have been secretly signed to WWE for months, maybe even as far back as last year. End quote. Wow. AOP looks like they're signed. They're quite a good tag team. Yeah. Left WWE, tried to start their own promotion. We won't talk about that. What a mess. Didn't pay wrestlers in the UK. They tried to get a couple of shows there. Pulled some talent, didn't pay some talent. I remember Nia Jax on Twitter, or X, complaining about not getting paid, and it was a right mess. Anyway, looks like they're in WWE. So there we go. AOP. Another tag team chucked in the mix there. Do need tag teams in WWE division. Tag team division there. So good stuff. Wait and see when they appear on WWE TV. Okay, that's about Gail Kim. Missed this news yesterday. I said Awesome Kong's returning in the last video. Well, Gail Kim is as well. September the 8th. Impact 1000. She's going to be there. In-ring return for Gail Kim, along with Awesome Kong as well. Good show. Looking a good show, this one. Wonder what she does nowadays. Gail Kim does work for Impact, backstage producer. So, yeah, she's going to be in-ring return, Gail Kim. She's great, wasn't she? Really good. Gail Kim in the ring. Quite a few years. She last wrestled, I'm trying to think. Well, could be years ago now. So looking forward to that. Okay, Dynamite aside then. Okay show. Wasn't the best. Probably due to a lot of people couldn't get there, like I said. Also, really sad news. It was Bray Wyatt's funeral yesterday. And Tony Khan let some people skip Dynamite if they want to go to the service. Really nice of him. And some people didn't make it due to illness. The hurricane as well, like Dave Meltzer said there. Florida people due to the hurricane. So, and also I saw in the news, WrestlingNews.co said that a lot of things, last minute changes, had to change the whole show right at the last minute as well. Tony Khan did. So there we go. A bit more news there. So Dynamite was okay. I like Toni Storm's doing great. I just mentioned that. And I didn't know she's back with the Outcast. Did not see that. So let's see what Toni Storm does going forward. I'm guessing I'm supposed to apologise to Saraya. Supposed to apologise there. And they're having a, what do you call it, three people there. Trio, that's the one. Trios match, Outcast, like I said before, versus on Collision versus Britt Baker, Hikaru Shida, Chris Statlander on Saturday. Also, Dax Harwood's having a match on Saturday. He's facing, let's have a quick check who he's facing. Yeah, sorry guys, couldn't quite find who it was against there, but there we go. He's definitely having a singles match. Dax Harwood versus someone on Collision. Should be good. Also, there's a trios match as well. The Acclaimed for the title. They're facing someone as well. I didn't write it down, guys. I maybe should have wrote it down. Would be a good idea, wouldn't it? So that should be good on Collision. Of course, before that, we've got SmackDown and Rampage. And then on Saturday, Payback. Oh, yes, Payback. And then on Sunday, AEW All Out pay-per-view as well. Don't forget, you won't be seeing CM Punk and Jack Perry both suspended by AEW. All over the news there. So they're both suspended for their backstage altercation, shall we call it? Yep, lots of different stories. The last one I heard was that Samoa Joe was there and broke it up. So an investigation into that. In a bit, though, I am going to watch Tony Khan's media call. He's doing that today. He's doing that, so I might do another wrestling news video about that. One was going to say he's doing an AEW All Out media call today, talking to different journalists and dirt sheets. So that should be good as well. So lots of stuff going on in the next couple of days. Impact as well tonight. I didn't really talk about Emergence last weekend. Good show, good show. Trinity is still the Knockout Women's Champion, so that's good there. Trinity had a match versus Diana Purazzo, and that was a good match as well. And Trinity got the win. So awesome stuff, and there we go, guys. Yeah, so Impact tonight. Tomorrow we've got SmackDown and Rampage. Saturday we've got, it'll be Payback, won't it? WWE Payback PLE, and then on Sunday, AEW All Out. Wow, oh my God, how much wrestling do you want? NWA chat, we'll talk about that quickly. Camille, well, she's been champion for a long time. Not anymore. She no longer the champion. And also, Tyrus as well. He's actually retired from wrestling. He had a match versus EC3. Remember him? He's been WWE. And EC3 is the new NWA champion. So Tyrus has retired there. He does work for Fox. Is it Fox Sports? Is that right? Reporter on that program there. So there we go. A bit of NWA news for you there, guys. Okay, I'm off then. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Smash that subscribe button till you get to 50 subs. That'll be awesome. Help the channel grow, and then we can do live streams again. So thanks for watching there, and I'll see all of you on the next video.